I'm somewhat strong, man. I'm not the strongest. I'm not the weakest.
It's already recording. Can you just make sure that the micro's confirmed? Very safe. We're bypassing the ground. Where's the shitty lighter? Do you have it?
Over by the video scan.
Here it is.
Oh, we're microwaving. Shut.
Yeah.
Microwave it, bitch. Microwave time. Toss it in.
You know what? Fuck it. Should we throw this battery in there too?
Yes. Just for shits and giggles.
It's not gonna stand. Alright, close it.
Hello?
Want to do a minute?
You know you can just, like...
No, okay.
Back up. Gotta focus.
Something's searing in there. I want it to go, so I'm gonna add another 30 seconds. Oh shit! Oh shit!
Whoa! Dude, that's the fucking lighter that's on fire.
I don't think the battery's doing anything.
Brother. That shit's crazy.
The magnetron is really unhappy.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Oh, it fell over.
Oh. Dude. Absolutely crazy.
Oh fuck, it's still going.
Dude, this might kill the microwave.
Yeah, I'm gonna stop it. Just let it go, let it go.
You ready?
No, I'm gonna put it. Is there water in your bag?
Ah, fuck.
Go refill it real quick. It's going out. It's going out.
Still. I'm back.
All right. I'm gonna open this. You need to
Splash. Dude, the lighter got incinerated.
Oh, it's like boiling off. Focus. Holy shit. Yeah,
Dude, the lighter got straight up incinerated.
It's still on fire. Put more water on it. There we go. The battery didn't do anything. Literally nothing happened.
Nothing happened to the battery.
Let's just throw that away. I don't trust that.
Watch that shit just implode over there.
What the hell? It's red. Like it's bleeding or something.
Oh, I bet you that was the flint.
You know what? You're right.
Yeah, the flint ignited and superheated metal. I bet you that's
Should we just leave this outside?
Yeah.
Put more water on it, please. It's right there. You see it?
Jesus, brother. Oh, there's a battery. With that.